Thank you for reaching FTC4 Production, the channel of the people. Thank you, brothers and sisters from my different. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your respect. Thank you for your unconditional love and loyalty to the channel. And of course, thank you for always coming back. FTC Production is the channel that is looking out for things for you out there that you can take advantage and the best of everything for free. We're not here to get you involved into the Ponzi scheme. Everything you find in here is for free and you can learn and earn at the same time. You cannot say no to free. Let's get back to business. Today I want to actually share with you another airdrop, NFT airdrop. And this is a very nice project which I would encourage you after this video to keep searching and checking and learning more about this. Okay, maybe you like what they had to offer and you become more in-depth investor into this. But in the meantime, due to this economic uncertainty and due to this financial turmoil that many of us are going through, as you may be aware of, this channel is focused on providing information to the working class family and the lower income people out there. We're living in an era in where you can actually make money easily thanks to the opening list, thanks to the best field that the technology has delivered, provided to us to use. There are many ways to make money out there online. The thing is, you gotta find a way to do it. And for those who are working really hard to put the bread on the table for their family and don't have an extra penny to do this type of investment, I encourage every one of you to use your common sense in these economically difficult times and invest in a very efficient way. How? For free. Try to get into these airdrops, giveaways, for free, and try to gain the coins that have to provide, save it into your portfolio and drop it in there forever. It's gonna be a day in the future that it will gain value and you will be able to take advantage of that and sell NFT or do everything you want for this. So, having said this, don't waste your time. Let's get this going because I know I'm right. You can actually take a lot of advantage of this in the future because this is here to stay. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you this exclusive NFT giveaway, Sarosism Chapter 1. It began already July 20th, but it will be done on August the 3rd, which is next month, and you still have a few days left to deal with, almost a week. So, the price structure. All qualified participants who had completed the required task will be eligible to mint Sarosism NFTs on Galaxy platform within the claimable period after the event ended. Okay, how to get the NFTs? Well, You have to finish all the below tasks, which we're gonna get there to a continuation, and you're gonna get entry points for you to be make things your situation easier. Note, RT, comment below the event announcement and tag 3 friends with the hashtag Sarosism, hashtag Saros NFTs, hashtags. Visit Saros Finance. Now, before we get into these required tasks, let's take a look at Saros Finance, which is a DeFi super network built on Solana. One decentralized and permissionless platform for you to swap, stake, and invest with a low cost, high efficiency, and ultimate experience. This is a really nice program. Let's learn a little bit more. DeFi suite with significant synergy. You can do the Saros swap SPL token at ease. You can do the Saros farm, which it will supply liquidity to earn Saros, and you can do the Saros stake Saros to earn rewards. You can enter the app and do everything you want, resolving problems and offering the best. With Saros, you actually are permissionless. Anyone can create a liquidity pool on the Saros swap. Capital efficiency. Optimized pricing formula for better capital efficiency. Friendly UI UX. Beautiful interface from the ground up. Low cost. Average transaction fee less than a penny. Wow, that's really cool. Scalability. Ultra fast transaction with low latency and scale, that's what we want. And composability. High performance, able to process at a scale without sacrificing security and decentralization. The values of powering with the Saros: you actually get supply liquidity, hold tokens, stage tokens. The incentive: you earn fees, govern, airdrop, gamification. These are the backers, which are some of them you might be aware, has seen before, right? But I'm gonna leave it up to this point. So in case you want to know more about them, you can actually come and read at your own speed. Okay, I'm gonna leave it up to this point. All right, let's go back again to the required task, which actually are composed of 60 entry points. And the first one says that you gotta follow at Saros_finance on Twitter. For that, you're gonna get 10 entry points. Then you gotta go to retweet Saros_finance on Twitter. You gotta retweet this. You can actually do it automatically in here. This is why I'm gonna leave this URL that you're looking at it right now, and you can actually come in here and read it on your own and do all these steps from this point interface. You gotta join at Saros_finance on Telegram. Will help you to do it right quick there. Join Saros Discord community. They will give you 10 points for that as well. Submit your Solana wallet address, just here, and they give you the instructions. You get 10 points for that as well. And invite one friend to join on this event. Okay, it's the way you go. Alright, gonna leave it up to this point. If you have further concern and questions, you can always ask them in Twitter or in Telegram. or when you join to the Saros Discord community, they'll answer all of your questions and all your concerns. Pretty much in my case, I can actually answer as much as I can from this point that I already reviewed with you. But if you have any general concern or question regarding this particular video, don't hesitate to write me down below. As usual, I always and strongly believe that if you win one of these airdrops, NFTs, tokens, or any giveaways that I presented in my channel, I become a winner automatically, because my to fulfill my request, but to fulfill my goals, you have to win, either by learning or earning. That's my point. I really want you to absorb as much as you can from these airdrops, NFTs, whichever you call it, so you become more, aware of your surrounding, and you know what you gotta do. Okay? Good luck until the next video, because it's gonna be another one. It's 3 videos a day, and this is the second. I'm going for the third. I wish you the best. Please, in a humble way, do not forget to subscribe. If you haven't done so, please do it to support the channel. Supporting the channel, you support the people in an indirect way. The goal is to get 100,000 subscribers and get that plate on YouTube in a legal way, of course, not a fake one. All right. Have a wonderful day and good luck. Thanks for